Alright, this is my delsol. Woo! It's a 94 SI. It was originally an automatic. I've converted it to a 5-speed. The only thing I haven't done yet is get the reverse wires to work. So, most people say you just run these 2 wires here, this yellow and green. Most people will say online that you just run these 2 wires and run wires through. Some people will say you can get the harness over in that corner over there, but ultimately they're telling you to run them to this plug, which is for the automatic solenoid, the lockup solenoid. So what I've done is finally got around to the wiring diagrams. You're going to use this plug. It's the same plug as the reverse wires. You just plug it in to your reverse wires there. And then on the ECU, you go to the A plug, which is the longest plug on the edge here, and pin A17 and A19 are these green with a black stripe and this yellow. And then you can verify with this wiring diagram. A17, green, black, A19, yellow. Those are the wires that go to that shift solenoid. So all you have to do is just cut those free from the ECU. There's your wires, boom. And then you just hook, this lighting is terrible. You just hook these wires. These are the ones that went to the ECU that I cut free. And you're gonna hook them to the same color wires that are here. And it'll work. And you'll have reverse lights. And no silly wiring running that looks like shit under your engine bay. And here's your verification and proof. Got the ignition on, no reverse lights. Go in here, reverse, and voila, reverse lights. It's easy as that. I don't know why nobody thought of that before, because it seems to be able to not find any information at all. I guess people are just afraid of it. And now people will be able to see me back up at night. Woo! Check out that sparkly paint. Ooh. Yeah, and so I just did this quick and easy. I'm a car stereo installer for the last 20 years. I do custom wiring and stuff, so I use crimp caps. You can use whatever you want. You can use butt connectors, solder. Just don't be an idiot. Make a good connection. So I got that. Had to extend it a little bit. Here, we'll tuck that all up back behind there. That. Any loose ends you got here, tape them up. Gonna tape that up. These 2 wires here, I would tape them up just to be safe. Even though if you're running a manual ECU, those wires are really doing nothing for you. Anyway, I always use 3M Super 33 Plus. That's the only tape I'll use. But yeah, I'm just taping up the loose ends here so they don't short out on anything. I'm still running the automatic ECU. It'll run the car just fine. You can also run on the pedals. Here we go. Yeah, so make sure you tape these wires up. I'm still running the automatic ECU, so it could do something there, I guess. The ECU will run the car fine. It's throwing a check engine light because I haven't taken it apart and cut the resistor out that needs to be cut. On the pedals also, I changed out the pedal set. The clutch is its own pedal. The brake and gas pedal are kind of a set, but what I did on mine is I took the gas pedal itself off of that pedal assembly and swapped it and kept the automatic gas pedal. That way I didn't have to buy a throttle cable, because the automatic throttle cable will work just fine. I've been driving this car around for a good 6 months with this swap done. Next upgrade will be the putting in the titanium valve springs and retainers and Crower cam that I've bought for it. But yeah, that's it. Hope that helps somebody. Enjoy.